Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today is an exciting day because we are unboxing the brand new iPhone 15 Pro. Apple has really turned up the heat with this one. I can't wait to dive in and explore everything it has to offer. So let's not waste any time and get started. Here it is, the iPhone 15 Pro in this sleek box. This packaging always has the premium feel, and this one is no exception. Got the classic Apple logo on the top and some details on the back. Let's open it up. Here it is, iPhone 15 Pro in all its glory. The first thing that catches my eye is the stunning titanium finish. It feels incredibly lightweight yet sturdy. And set it aside for just a moment. Check out what else we have in the box. We've got the usual tech and of course the Apple stickers, USB-C to C cable, it's a bit of a bummer that there is no charging brick included, but that seems to be normal these days. Now let's get to the star of the show. Powering it on, the iPhone 15 Pro sports a 6.1 inches Super Retina XDR display, and Apple has introduced a new action button, replacing the traditional mute switch. This allows the customizable shortcut, such a cool feature. Look at those slim bezels, it's absolutely gorgeous. The display looks incredible, and with ProMotion technology you will experience buttery smooth scrolling at 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming and media consumption. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting features, camera. The Apple 15 Pro comes with a new 48 megapixel main camera, which brings so much detail to your photos. Plus, there is a new telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, perfect for capturing those far off details. Let's take a quick shot. Wow, just look at the clarity and depth. Apple's computational photography has really stepped up. Under the hood, we've got the A17 Pro chip, which is the first 3nm chip in a smartphone. This means insane performance and efficiency. Whether you are gaming, multitasking, or just browsing, everything is going to be super snappy. Let's not forget about connectivity. The iPhone 15 Pro comes with USB-C for the first time. This opens up a world of possibilities for charging and data transfer. You also get support for Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, perfect for all your wireless needs. So there you have it, friends. The iPhone 15 Pro comes packed with amazing features like its stunning design, powerful camera, and cutting edge performance. I can't wait to test this out more and bring you a full review soon. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Leave your comment down below on what you think of iPhone 15 Pro in 2024. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.